Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Lens to solve your math problems. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open up your Google application on your mobile phone, and then you're going to select the Google Lens by clicking on this camera icon. You can click on this camera icon to access the Google Lens, and wait, let me take the picture of my math problem. Okay, like this. Alright, and then we're going to go to the homework here. Okay, you can select homework, and then the Google will solve your math problem. Okay, you will get the guide here, how to solve your problem. Okay, and this is for the solution and the step as well, and you can click on show all steps here. Alright, that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Google Lens to solve your math problem. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.